Hi, my name is Alexander Davies, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate our preservation software solution called Pulse. Pulse is a web and mobile application using Microsoft Azure as our platform as a service and Office 365 for our secure login. Pulse can also be set up on local servers and use a range of Active Directories for secure login. Once logged in, you are able to select your project and navigate to the home page. Here the project details are listed and an S-curve is showing the progress of your project against your plan. Here you can also see the baseline, actual and target and a percentage complete. On the left is the project tree, listing all the different types of equipment that will be under preservation on your selected project. Then under that is the equipment number unique to that package, then down to the granular detail of individual components and their tag numbers. From here, you can allocate engineers to each preservation procedure that needs to be carried out, making sure there's a clear understanding of what work needs to be done and who by, providing accountability and traceability. When the engineer logs in through the mobile app, they will sync down all their allocated tasks and punch items that have been assigned to them, giving a clear understanding of the work scope to be carried out by each engineer. Now we are navigating back to the activity page. Listed are the procedures that need to be carried out at each phase, for each specific type of equipment on site. You can see the status of the receiving and storage phase of preservation is complete, with the monthly and depreservation procedures still outstanding. The monthly preservation checks need to be carried out continuously each month, but you can also have weekly checks as well until depreservation is required for commissioning. When opening the activity, we can see the procedure steps that need to be carried out, working through each step, noting down the engineer that carried out the work and the material used with any comments. If picture verification is required, for example capturing damaged equipment or packaging, these can be attached and documented for insurance and vendor records. All insulation resistant readings are also measured and recorded for historical reference, making sure all readings are within the parameters stated in the vendor specification. Once all the checks are complete, the activity is marked as closed complete, and then the engineer signs off the document and saves. Navigating back to the activity list, here we can see where the next procedure is generated and next planned date automatically populated. These can also be filtered to view a 1 week, month, year look ahead, also filtering on location, enabling you to focus your workforce to one area and not waste time going back and forth on site. This allows you to plan your workforce and materials accordingly, improving efficiency on site and saving time and money. Now, the manager logs into the home page, opening the approvals page to inspect the procedure completed by the engineer and technicians. This allows a two-part verification to make sure the work is carried out to the highest standard, whilst also viewing any associated punch items and images. Once happy, the manager then signs off the procedure as passed and clicks Save. This then saves the document as a digital copy for historical records, leaving a full auditable trail on all procedures carried out for all equipment. This can then be navigated through the approved activities. In here, you can filter on specific tag and equipment, then click Download for the digital copy. Once downloaded, you can clearly see the preservation procedure that was carried out and the equipment it was on, what the date of procedure was completed and who by and who approved it, also the steps that were carried out and who by, and the action required and any materials used. Also visual verification for any damage during preservation. Pulse makes sure manufacturer warranty is maintained whilst creating visibility on site and improving efficiency. Thank you.